Hey, what is up, everybody? Michael Crump back here again, talking about the latest and the greatest in PlayStation homebrew news and much, much more. So I've been seeing a ton of these that says, hey, for anyone on PS5 4.03, download one of these ISOs. Basically, these are GameStop kiosk demo disk, and it says open the ISO and open the Pkg folder, extract the files to the root of a USB, and try to install in debug settings. It says that they should work fine, and so there's a couple of different screenshots here of a Pkg inside of an ISO. And then here is some of the Pkg files. And then basically here was just a screen that showed that none of these files or these games show up in the blacklist. Well, I went ahead and I experimented a bit of this on my own. So again, you can go to archive.org and do a search, and you may find some disks such as this one right here, which is like PS4, IDU 2018 Winter Refresh, GameStop. So again, these were disks that only were given to certain different companies. So you can come in here if you want to play with this a little bit more on your own and go to the ISO image, and most of these sit around 40 gigabytes. So what I did was I found an image and I downloaded it to my hard disk drive to explore it a little bit here with you all today. So the file that I downloaded was just the 2018 Winter Refresh. Again, this was a GameStop ISO sitting around 43 gigabytes. So we can easily just mount this to our computer if we would like to by just pressing enter there. So now taking a look at the disk itself, there is a Pkg folder which has the package files. Now there's also the .rif file, and then there is a JSON file that's in here as well. And well, the idea, or at least that a lot of people have been talking about, is that you can at least copy, these three files right here to a USB stick, and they should install properly because you do have the RIF file along with the Pkg, and that this is just a demo, meaning it should work absolutely anywhere. Okay, and so let's just go ahead and let's give this a shot. So we'll take the Crash Trilogy demo just right here, and we'll take these three files right here. I'm just going to copy them, and I'm going to put them on the root of a USB stick, and then we'll put that in the PlayStation 5 and we'll give it a shot. So if you go into debug settings here, we're going to go to game, and then we're going to go to package installer. Right there is the Crash Trilogy demo.pkg. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to press X here, and it does say that it is installing. And I'll just speed this up until it is finished. Okay, so it does say Crash Bandicoot Insane Trilogy Demo is ready to play. So let's go to View Game here, and it does not let us play it. So let's go back to Home here, and there, yet again, it will not allow us to play the game. It has the little indicator that says this PS4 game or demo isn't playable on PS5. If you have another version of the game, switch version and you might be able to play it on PS5. For more information, go to playstation.com/BC. So hopefully that clears up the question on whether or not you can play the packages that is already inside a kiosk demo disk. Thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Michael out.